Jackfruit is one of the largest fruits that grows on a tree and belongs to the mulberry family. The tree has a strong woody trunk, broad green leaves, and produces large green fruits directly from the trunk and main branches. Inside the fruit, the yellow bulbs are the edible part, while the seeds are also useful and can be cooked. The thick, spiky skin protects the fruit, and the fibrous core supports its heavy weight. Jackfruit trees are evergreen, long-living, and provide shade, food, and shelter to many organisms, making them very important in tropical ecosystems. For more amazing tree knowledge, like, share, and subscribe.